How's it going, guys? I need to talk to you real quick about processing a new truck or a temporary truck. So that means when you're picking up a new truck that you're going to be running, or just picking up a truck temporarily, you need to check it out before you run your route. So besides the required standard CDL pre-trip, which you need to perform every time you pick up a truck, you need to look for damages, and you need to look for anything that is not right on the truck. So on this truck, out of the equipment right here, I have a strap that's missing. The wiper fluid's low. Everything else under the hood checked out. I'm gonna look around the truck, look for damages. Now I have a cracked windshield up here. I have a chip in the middle. So this is all the stuff you're going to be putting on a checklist when you pick it up. So I have no damage on the bumpers. You want to notate everything: scratches, chips, broken mirrors. Check your wipers. Like I said, all part of that main pre-trip, plus anything else that's bent or damaged. Could be your steps, could be gas tank, could be DEF tank. Everything else looks good. This on the back's damaged, but we don't really use that, so that's not a big deal for us. But also, as you go around, see, this is bent in a little. You need to take pictures all the way around the truck from day one when you pick up the truck, so you have proof when something comes up that it's in the condition that you picked it up in. Now this seems to be bent down a little bit. My mud flap here is a little bit loose. Let's see. Yeah, it might have been running too. But as you can see here, it's rubbing against the back tire. So this needs to be somehow fixed and bent back out. You don't want that rubbing on your tire. You need to check your Moffett. I got the pin on this side. I have both of my keys. Checking all the lights. I already checked all that in the main pre-trip. But look on this side, the pin's missing. There's just a bolt here. This needs to be replaced with the proper pin. So everything on the truck, nope. We got a mud flap missing now on the passenger side here. So that's an issue that needs to be fixed. And everything else looks okay. So now when I did the interior of the truck, I checked the heater works, the air conditioning works. Now the only thing that doesn't work is the driver's side window doesn't roll down. So I'm gonna have to report that also. So you want to take down the mileage when you pick it up and take at least 10 pictures of everything, and then make a list of everything that you don't have and everything that is damaged or needs to be fixed. Now in our trucks, we require to have the torsion bar in the truck, the corner caps, and a broom. So if you don't have any of those, you need to take account of what you have and report that also in your whole report. So that's about it. But this is the way to protect yourself from picking up a truck from maybe somebody else that's not taking that good care of it, and they're going to pass off any damages that they've done onto you. So when you process a truck, it's very important you cover yourself. All right, that's about it. You guys have a good day, and if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.